Feeling like a failure? Feeling like a loser? Regretful, fallen, or at the lowest point in your life? Don't worry, I'll help you rise with this method. The first step, starting now, from this very moment, think of yourself as a warrior, a soldier, and a fighter of life. From this moment on, you are no longer an ordinary guy, not just an average man. You are a soldier, battling for your life. As a soldier, make sure you follow daily activities based on standard operating procedures, or SOP, and a checklist. Follow a clear schedule. This checklist and SOP can help you overcome laziness, conquer sadness, and feel empowered. Understand that a soldier, no matter how they feel, always follows their checklist regardless of the circumstances. From waking up to going to sleep, you have a clear schedule. Wake up at a certain time, then do this. Work at a certain time, study at a certain time, relax at a certain time, and sleep at a certain time. So, there's no such thing as suddenly running out of time because you're engrossed in social media. After that, always ensure there are clear consequences if you violate the checklist and SOP. Soldiers are disciplined because there are consequences for breaking the schedule. There are repercussions. Therefore, to prevent yourself from casually breaking the schedule you've made, you must create consequences, clear penalties if you don't adhere to the schedule. The punishment shouldn't be something that hurts, makes you sad, or further depresses you, but something that strengthens you. For example, if you don't complete a certain point in the schedule, the consequence is that you cannot use your phone for 1 hour. Or, if you violate a point, replace it with 10 push-ups. Do this with discipline. Next, physical exercise. Include sports in your daily routine, whatever it is. It doesn't have to be the gym. It doesn't have to involve lifting weights. It can start with walking or running around your house, or doing push-ups, pull-ups, squats at home. The important thing is to ensure that you train your body. Keep your body active because, in addition to producing healthy dopamine, it also helps boost your confidence and sense of control over your own body. The last point of this soldier mode is brain and mental exercises. Soldiers also learn various war strategies and train their minds to be strong. You must also learn something that makes you more proficient in the battlefield you are facing. Something that raises your survival rate in the battlefield and makes you more successful in carrying out the mission. Learn things related to your job that can help you earn more money and make you a better man. Don't forget to worship, pray, or meditate so that you have a source of strength from the Almighty. And to keep you motivated in implementing this soldier method, remember. First, remember the people who put you in your current low point. Maybe they are friends who deceived you, family members who undermined your mental health, or exes who betrayed you. You must be thinking of revenge against them, right? Remember, the best revenge is to succeed. Don't think about attacking or hurting them, just focus on becoming a better and more successful person. That is the sweetest form of revenge you can achieve. Second, channel the energy of your anger, sadness, and disappointment that you feel from those people into making yourself more productive, more disciplined, and more diligent. Harness the pain you feel to transform yourself. Work out more diligently, focus on your work, and be more devoted in your worship. Remember, the trials of life are opportunities. Opportunities that God gives you to become better. Many men give up, fall, and despair because of life's trials. But I believe you are different. View the trials of life not as something that brings you down, but as an opportunity, even a blessing, that can make you rise and become much better than you are now. And finally, believe that God never sleeps. The laws of nature exist. Your life will surely get better as long as you become a better person. Good luck in your struggle, and see you at the top.